I'm a piece of shit. What's the part number? Part number? Alright, cleanup time. So a friend of mine lended me her PlayStation to, apparently it overheats. So I figured, oh, I'll give it a shot and I'll give her a good clean and see how bad it really is. Here I'm using the hair blower to remove the sticker, to remove the little rubber that exposed the screw, which is a tamper-proof. Yeah, I was using a T10 tamper-proof Torx bit. Fits right in there. Let's take that out. See? You can see the little stem in the middle of the Torx. Once you remove that screw, you just kind of slide that off to the left. And it just pops right off. And you take all the gazillion screws holding the, I guess you could say, the inner exoskeleton. Once you get that done, then you start, holy crap, what a mess in here. Gonna have to severely vacuum this sucker up. Wow, look at all those dust bunnies. Wow. That would be the CD-ROM drive. Wow, that's dirty. Look at that all around. Yeesh. Alright, we're just gonna vacuum this and... What's that? Oh shit! Get over here, you little bastard!
No! No! You can't do this to me, you asshole! I know where you live, and I know how big your feet are! No! No! No!
Alright, now that we got that out of the way, back to the cleaning of this really disgusting PS3. Wow. We're gonna have to vacuum this like everywhere. Just to get all that. Wow, it's like almost like growing. It's got its own like lifespan here. Wow. It's like glued in there. Biggest dust bunnies I've ever seen into a system. There, that's a lot better. Yeah, get right in there. Conquer that vacuum. Wow. I'm gonna remove the hard drive. Just one little tiny screw. And just slide right out. Even the hard drive needed to be vacuumed. Like, I mean, it was just caked with dust bunnies all over. We're going to move the CD-ROM eventually. Ribbon cable. That piece. Look at the dust bunny. It's just all over. Just pull on the cable nice and easy and make sure you just put a little piece of tape. And I wrote the word up so then I know how it goes back on. It's good to have little notes. And use like a container to keep all the screws in place and label everything so you know which ones to use to put back in. Yep, get right in there. We're almost done digging to the bottom there. Gotta keep hacking away there. These plates are awesome looking. They're like little, spacers. And this is for your USBs that connect to the bottom. The little wire just pops right off. Similar to what they have in cell phones. There, RF shield. Back, now we're down to the board. Good old motherboard. There's some thermal pads there we'll be replacing later. Let's get all the screws out. Pop that off. Now we're down to the fan. Alright, still vacuuming here. A little crap. Right in there. Oh, you had to touch it with your fingers. Ooh. Alright, take the fan off. That thing came right off. More dust in the hole. Nope, not yet. Leave those there. Still gotta vacuum some more. There you go. Oh, it's actually got colors. It's all black. Not brown like dust. Alright, remove the, I guess it would be the back plate off. Okay. The only thing we got left is the heat dispersion fins. You might find a set of these on the back of a, snow speeder for those hardcore Star Wars fans. Now we're going to clean the old thermal paste off of that because it's just crap. It's been there for a long, long time. Just use some rubbing alcohol and just buff it right off. Then I'm going to apply some new one. There you go. And they give you a little, like a flat, somewhat paintbrush, just spread it. Then we start rebuilding the whole PS3 now. Then we got some thermal pads on those certain chips. Yeah, just plug everything back in. It's a lot shinier than it was way back when. It's got color again. Boom. And did you know the top cover is actually somewhat clear, even though it's like a tint? Oh, we gave it an update too. There eventually 4.88 when this video was made, or 4.89 now, and tried the game, and guess what? It worked. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.